To try this trending Instagram photo effect, open Instagram. Go to your story and add a picture from your gallery. After that, tap on the effects icon. Then click on the browse option available at the bottom right. Now you'll see many different effects, but the one trending on Instagram is the flash effect, so tap on flash. Wait a few seconds for the effect to apply to your picture. So here's the picture. If you are not happy with this picture, you can also load the new one, and you can do this until you are happy with the results. Now after this, choose the one you like and just save to gallery, and you are done. You can also explore other effects available there and see what works best for you.